everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, ah. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, yeah. Enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the location in which you are. You are once again welcome to another edition of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. I am super excited to host this program, this most important education on issues concerning our immigration, litigation, family law, and mitigations. I believe you join me to share this most important program to extend our listeners, extend our viewers on all the media platforms. Please join me while we delve into things in the community concerning legal education. I believe you stick and stay with us. I'll be right back. Just stay with us.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
BWF Solicitors, your trusted partners. Oniadofo, ahwefo, ayamide, eme ahwanho ase, enenso anope yi adom nenti, yedi se adwumedi a efiada bia yedi ba makwan enenso yesan ede bremo. Media ne manyeti. Ene adom nenti yedi mrika akwakofa yen lawyers aketinka de bia yetwe omoba efidie so na ebe pintin nyoma ekoso ya brabo mu when it comes to litigations and say immigration honsem and say even yen krom Ghanaian law mpo honsem na omode America ba no mo abe kan bia kire yo ma be kire nyoma o say ye na ye hu ebe hinhan ye enenso sa emre na so mesre we ni die mu say bomoden afro bi fra wo nua bi fra wadamfo bi fra wo maami bi opapa bi say emre na so ene asem wanwa bi aba ye ba be kan ho asem no omo nso omo betie bi na omo nto hu anamom ebe ye me de So share program no onya ba so a no a share ko WhatsApp contact nyina share mo bia o Facebook so nso bomode ana share sans no o share on YouTube nso a no a share me ka share na say o chiche ma amansan ehu ekira kwan ene eye me de say ye wo update kakra ye kan update ana kire say nioma a abɛsi na wɔtwe mu a yɛnya nten ho nsɛm no ne yɛdi mmirika ne akɔ akɔfa ne yɛde aba abɛkyerɛ mu sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a mobɛnya information ne ntɛm enti no me nua baa ɛwɔ efidie yi so me nua baa Debbie mɛtwe n'aba na ɔmbɛma yɛn update a na wɔtwe mu nyinaa ɛwɔ sɛ anaasɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhu na yɛnto ho anamo. So welcome once again, Debbie. I'm going to call you to give us the update that we have for today. And then after that, I'll invite my lawyer to come and give us the education. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manya. Good morning, viewers. So today the update concerns the Nationality and Borders Act 2022. So this takes into consideration the asylum and humanitarian applications that are made. So the new changes that have been brought into play now are that, so before the law changed, when you make a successful asylum application, they granted you 5 years, and then after the 5 years you can apply for settlement, which is indefinite leave as we all know it. However, with the change, now when you make a humanitarian or asylum claim, also known as a protection claim, before the 28th of June 2022, you will still be granted the 5 years leave to remain, and then after the 5 years, that's if you're successful, sorry. And then after the 5 years, you're able to apply for indefinite leave. However, if you applied or made the claim after the 28th of June, they will grant you what is known as humanitarian protection. So, sorry, they'll grant you a temporary humanitarian permission to stay for 30 months. So these people will only be eligible to apply for settlement after 10 years under the separate long residence rules. So this is a little update I have for our viewers today.
Thank you very much, Deborah. It's if one for ya sign aba muti update aba no. Sɛ yɛn lawyer ba a ɔbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra nso de ama mo nti ma mo hu ɛmi a yɛnom bi yɛnte borɔfo no papa so yɛn nuabaa ne ka ne si a na afei ne yɛ fintimfintim ɔka adeɛn yɛbɛduru hɔ ma mo nsoro koraa yo dodoɔ no aba so nyinaa mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛma mo yɛn nuabaa Sandra Fraser ɔsi good morning Sir Patrick Sandra Fraser good morning viewers ɔde information biara ohia say obetu anamo akwakohu BWF Solicitors no yenu aba de abeto so contact nara bebia obefa even transport kra obefa e de akọ de abegu ho enti mo hwe board ne so amobe mo hwe platform ne so amobe hu na motumi di America akọ BWF Solicitors so nyoma bebre no mo ye enye immigration nsam nko a no modi hu akotimte se omo ye nyoma bebre na mom eba na immigration any family law dia ene kromo ha lawyers akentinka ye ka say omo adwene society no omo amom batches na ede amom chese mo oduye na chese omo na eba immigration and family law a omo di kane saa na tie omo ye ho ade ankasa se na tie bia home office kra omo hu omo letterhead na omo de ahopopo grant saa na tie enti mo ko hu BWF Solicitors bibia ohia ewo law mo omo betumi aboa o ubaso ashe adai monokum nyame nhyira o say good morning family and friends mesra mo share program ne nkwa chichichi dodo na enya honhwe yo sani etie no monim se da bia yen sori fiti prekope embet na ha ye ba ha na kire se bibi krade bi ekoso na yetu ho anamo ne ahwe se okay ade we ekoso yembet enchre amansa no omweni nda ho se na etie enti se bitu a na wati wenyante ase enya afe na wudi ho ebobo enti sa topics anase anamutu anase nyoma ekokokoso na enenso yakwa wakofa emu baako e de aba enti mema ye lawyer odinchia kese enso e de abrahwe etiefo na ahwefo nyinara owie ye na afei question da ho na say the main topic that we have and say ye ba bedi ho adwuma no na afei me de abetudwa na ya pinchim na ye hu kwan a ye befa so a ye benya saa nimde no na ye tu ho anamo enti lawyer Patrick mpacho me ma wakwa aba na fa nchia emma etiefo na ahwefo na afei emfa adwumedie no ento aso Debbie.
Right. Thank you, Manye. A tier for ne ashefo nyina very, very good morning. Ye hope say ene anope obia ho ye. Awo kakra, but it's okay because anything I wa ha say ye besua de na ye de akan ye ho hye. And now this no very, very, very important because bibia esibebre and in recent times, akoye bibia abeye rampant. Na just say debia no yehu se koso. Nti ehu behia se yebeton sa frɛ ye nuanom yebeton sa frɛ adofo omo UK, omo outside of the UK, especially omo Ghana, omo tie yen. Sebe ya mbetimi enya eye adesua de sonko bi afri de ye beka no eden because they are very, very important. Behia see ye nyina yebeton sa frɛ afoforo se ne maka no na ye nyina atumi asua de. First of all, edi akan ye ho hye na afi so edi atre yenim de mu. So manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick medasi se na meka ye no Sara na momunim bibi o se memfa we entwemu ansa na arefre krampo aba ene say the whole year when it comes to BWF Solicitors omo adebia ya na omo ye afi kwa ewie ya every day wo share na watwi bia from January up to December na chere say ebeko break kra just maybe a week break pe out of the 24 months no and I say 52 weeks na ye wo afinimo ana actually so a ohwa na bia 2 weeks break bi pe e na omoko internet chere say from January up to December no na watwi bia 3 times in a week no BWF Solicitors education we the bremo enti obebesia se school mpo na wo kwa edu ba bia o se ye nso ye hwe ye so wa adwen hwe se na ye bia school na wo kwa fit January to December die important e na wesua enti BWF Solicitors omo tradition ba ko ne se edu afia ya no mo the quiz eba. I believe say it was just the corona time no na ye skip a year bi but afi bia ye enti no this year good news no BWF Solicitors ye the quiz no san ba biom Thursdays bia ewo Rainbow Radio nsɛm a wetie from lawyer Eunice any lawyer you can say lawyer Richard education omodema ena afen so Friday bia nso BWF legal hour so a lawyer Patrick anase lawyer Charles anase Uncle Ben enso edeba ena Saturday nso the community and the law nso adesua wesua ewo lawyers ekwa ho nyina no ye see this December ye to nsafra won so bra betre wadwen enti ebeye quiz ye bebisa nsem a most of the headlines and topics are yesua no ye bebisa mu nsem na wetumi won so ayeden we yimuaye munim say last year ye chiche nneoma last 2 years nso saa tese ba na chede a wo a wo be win no na emo ode yie me hu ye kra na me ni abri say ebi ni say obenya plane ticket akọ Ghana in and out free ubenya holiday I think 1 to 2 weeks a very nice hotel yay radi menya webi kaba mi do enti no second prize no so just say up to prices up to 10 prize na just say draw so ye enti bomodia every day bia wo de refi ni nyina kra go back to all our videos na bo wo ye adwuma na wo bo na wo tie o small room na utie bi udware na waso BWFs na utie bi na quiz ne soso a na wetumi ababe ma answers utwa answers ne nyina madamfo Odi onni nkrata kra de ko Ghana kra. Meye nkrata na ma wenya prize na ko Ghana ba why? No akodi holiday da ba keke. Until watch out for this. Very soon we'll bring the flyers out and then we start the quiz as soon as possible. December, now final results, na the pako be win no na this actually be ama no. Enti watch out. Na maka ni nyina wie no mensa ento anamom ensa mo amaba Facebook ne we ne so nyina nyame nhyira mo. Em say producer obi send nuisance messages bi ewo we no so mbetumi a block na amame anke be me de pa na munyi nim free so na yenhwe adai mununku wasi good morning family Newcastle manye good morning good morning mami ya eje wa wasi good morning manye and lawyer Patrick mami ya je so sister Deborah so kaya ho nte ya na my extended greetings ne bi ama no lyrical black wasi good morning lawyer Antina nyame enhyira won so na naji mind school prefect we duru hodada o se monhye na ade e ba behien ehu hia nkasa na naji made enchi akese ma gina de edu se teleduma dokasadum na se obobo register no these people are regular listeners and viewers intino muhu din ni bi se a wo so beka sa ebusua no ho na enyefe Eric Kwabna Sante ono say good morning everyone yegusu na emreko education ni hia me nti menkofa eno embra yo lawyer Patrick yenya de bia yetete na obi besi enkanda normal conversation between two people na say two companies and two parties no se me bisa wasem na asem kro no wo muaye a o ma me muaye se wonni muaye nso a o se wo ka kire me se wonni muaye anything yenim se whenever we do our applications at the call home office two things either some be granting application na ya be granting success application and also make us refuse to net say unsuccessful application enti both results ebeba no ohwemu a I mean like the explanation I gave said conversation between two parties so maybe so asema o so ma memoaye but here is the case sometimes na home office for or more refuse a wonte hwe wo de onim ena se wote ho na wo twen obonso am refuse o mo nka nkyerɛw unama santa na wako fallen victim wa baby ye so mu wonim se wa ye nkrata o ye okay enso ye se refuse ntine ya chew na ye no ko not just that instance but we've got different instances etumi si ansa na obehun se ye refuse ukra na chese baby edu no na ye din se obenya chance mpo appeal unya se obenya chance mpo aye reapplication mpo unya enance esanse won't say home office for I refuse so. Inti ene ye bisa say ene home office for no. Ye question di more money say. In the home office, is the home office legally required to provide me with a decision notice if my application has been refused? Question I maybe say, Lawyer Patrick, mpacho money mpenimfo. Mona debia money home office for di nkomo. Eye legally require anase inform we refuse mpatonti cheche mu from beginning na ye hu baby ayigina next time bibi sa ato ya na ehu anamoko a ye beto nti wadaroma metuma na cheche ye mu kakra.
Okay, Manye, thank you very much. I think say intro no a very succinct summary of ene the yeba discussing in yes, a facet wire application. Now the expectation is yes application here at some point, it's a union decision. Whether say a positive decision and also a negative decision. That is the expectation. So it will be a application. Until where when you positive decision there, a energy na ba, ntino ye nyina ye jitum. But what of say be a decision no a negative. So yes, so we application the co-home office. Na application no omu consider we are as a home office for a brewo decision. Now before no, na home office for decisions no. The omo yene say omo throw letter na omo dia brew through the post. Na omusa kan anaso se omo de be fa o lawyer so na o lawyer no e de amount say o fa lawyer. Nowadays no the home office for Eunice said the be ya ye nyina ye be save ye planet ninti no majority of the decisions na eba through email. Inti either say one na we year application no and I would do email share so into omo the application decision no ebe brought by email. And also say o lawyer na ye ma into omo the decision no ebe kwa command through email as well. There are a few exceptions. For instance, say we Zambrano application you say some applications no aya omo de by email there, but it be also again omo de by post. But apart from no immigration applications do ni nyina na saying decision no by email. Bear in mind, sir, because say by email, no say one kasa na wo year application. There's a risk say be na won check email no on a regular basis. Maybe a decision number na akwa koto email so na unhue. And also say a cost spam. Now, say o decision no a spam. Things that over 30 days as a one check here, a bit delete automatically. That is just to save space. Intisa ena etie say we application no na one ko check o decision na e betimi aba say ya make decision na when na weni apaso. The problem with that ne say sa decision na ya make no say a negative decision na you are likely to lose your time na ye dey amount say esese nka o appeal against that decision no. And only the risk a wom say you send it decision by email. Na no so ntina esese ye share no nso. And that is why yen as a firm no ye application ma ye email and atada mo be hu say ehye so say home office for emfa decision mrain. And also say yen business address and a wo o postal address esese ye receive decision and no was so. So that is how we work it. So the question is, it is a home office and make it decision, especially say a negative decision. As I say, omo notice na. That is the question. Because you who said saying in 4 year applications, especially omo Ghana no. Ube na obia ye application ko na wakwa koji ne passport. Yes, ombaji ne passport. Wakoji passport no, okoji ye no visa mbom anase vignette bia mbom. Ono so a ye man decision. Na ohun say application no ekoye ana anko ana decision no ya refuse no ana ya grant no na ohun na wani aye wontanta. And that is why we are dealing with this topic. Na yehu ye bebia ye gina any how ye betimi are dealing with it. Into yes, legally no the home office no is required says omo ye decision ewo application no so a esese omo serve sa decision no nti ye mra ebo ho ban no ye immigration notices regulations are 2003 eno na ebo ho ban nti sa regulations no so o hwe regulation 4:1 na echirechiremu de esese home office ye na de all can say home office decision immigration decision concerning obia sa decision no appealable esese omoma nipakro no aware said the beya nipakro no ebehu say decision say ena ya making. And so say okay regulation 7:1 na and also prescribe kwaya esese home office for efa notify of that decision no. Ebi yese obesend by email at the amount. Ebi yese obesend by fax. Ebi yese obetro will letter. Now or there two post to mudi abra. Whether say one kasa postal address and also say bia say okofa lawyer no postal address and also any email. And no one nyina ye kwanya emra no a prescribe there to say esese home office for faso na omode serve with decision notice na. And no pahua se o share a regulation 5 a honum na and also so clear home office decision na oma making Eniyema esese ewo saa decision ne mu. Enti especially regulation 53 no ekire yen se omo ma wo decision na esese saa decision no it comes with a statement that ekire wo say decision na you making, so you have the reasons for saa decision na oma making no. Oma ma saa reasons na wie no esese omo kire wo say saa decision we ubetimi appeal against saa decision no. Esese omo kire how long awa ubetimi dey appeal against saa decision no. Esese omo kire baabi a ubetimi aye saa appeal no edi afri. And esese omo ema wo akwankyere kwan a obefa so a ebia uhia mmoa ubetimi enya saa mmoa no. Saa niema we nyina ewo eye emra no mu a esese home office for ediso. Nti se wokoye application na decision aba wakoje o passport na eye bibia nima ekyerɛkyerɛ saa niema we nyina ebetimi ama eye bi next step a esese wo take no etumi atosini. Nti se wanya decision na it means say ebi wo ho a untimi appeal against that decision no. But se wanya decision no so na anase decision ba na ankyerɛkyerɛ saa niema we nyina ebetimi ama decision no aye defective as well. I no so no obetimi a challenge you. So then say home office for anase say mra no ka say home office for make a decision on immigration na saa decision no eye appealable na esese omu notify wa edin ne appealable decision na ye ka no. Right, saa appealable decision no ye behu no wo ye mra no mu emra no ekyerɛkyerɛ yen ni nyina. Nti sɛ wo hwɛ ye Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 oma mending na ekyerɛ yen eye decisions a home office aya eye appealable. However, sɛnea meka ye no saa emra no ya amended no since 2014 under the Immigration Act no. Now before the amendment no, na the section 82 near 2002 emra no emma akwanya bebree said be ya home office make a decision bi a ubetimi appeal against saa decision no. Na ebi ye visitors visa. So ye nyina ye nim say ene ya ye ka say majority of the visitor visa applications no ye refuse wa untimi appeal against it unless ewo bibi wo mu a borders on human rights and awatimi appeal. In fact, say bia o kofa obaba na obano ye refuse na yes because say eye ebusua ne ebusua ene akwala ne maame enti no anase maame ne akwala enti no yes ubetimi anya kwan appeal against that decision no. So eno na esese ye hye ne so. Fast forward to ye year in sachaye wo emra no mu no ama eniema bebree asesa enti enye decisions ne nyina na ubetimi appeal against it. However, where untimi appeal against that decision no a kwan foforo wo ho a ubetimi de afaso ebi ye say ebia ubenya administrative review and also say ubetimi aye judicial review against that decision. Okay, enti se CIA ye kasai decisions ben na say home office yet na a negative and also say refuse ubetimi appeal against it. Say the makano it is contained under section 82 of NIA. Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 as amended. Inti sa emrano echecheyen says a home office decision protection decision and also wakoye asylum ye refusal and also say why application be human rights element ewo mu a esese ne nyina no yetumi ma ho kwan na otumi appeal and also omutumi ekire na o appeal against that decision no. Apart from no so no say decision no EU decision under regulation 16 and I'm saying ye nyina nim say ya yen sachaye owo mra no mu nti ye wo appendix EU and USS ti no mu nyina no ye decisions under your Nationality and Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 section 82 no yen say esese home office etumi ebo wo mane or more reasons for sa decision na waye no ene kwan a obefa so a obe challenge sa decision no ni nyina no esese home office for no ekrew nti yes sa na emra no eka na obehu se o ma wo sa kwanya no na wantimi anye de esese wo ya time ni wafa sa bear in mind say we application na you refuse wa depending on baby we application free any the sort of application na why no your time duration ewo ho nti say we application within the UK na you refuse wa or 14 days obetimi e de a challenge sa decision no and as a we application from outside of the UK so and also no over 28 days say utimi e de challenges our decision. That is if sa decision no appealable. Into no time no so na ye can days and your working days. In so them and time no so started from when you make it decision no. Into and then you make it decision 14 days no say you can a year na started count from a near minimum kase. It's so count to 14 days. So all kind 14 days and answer 28 days now. Weekends na eka. And so it makes it really very difficult. So mesia na wani pound kakrebia. Obe say days na ba besin. Na bia de sesa wo ye no na wentimi anye. All because e bia when nya with decision no and as a home office for amfa decision no amount and as say almost Sunday e na akwakoto o junk mebu nti uni access to it when nyina betimi akoso a problem e the amount because then so when nya decision na untimi nya saa kwanya no na appeal bia esese nka wo ye and as say administrative review bia na nka esese wo ye no watimi aye nti ni nyina no etimi Emma nsunsuaso eba wo so because o miss out o time na esese o dey appeal na o ko na wa lodge appeal na court no be kan tell say o time no apa ho it means say esese wo kosre court for extension of time say indeed unsanka decision no and as unsaka na a defective you may be able to challenge them and then get them to extend time for you to appeal against the decision. But ni nyina say obetoto oniema yi se nya wa na we application no na lawyer na ye ma wa they be able to submit an extension of time application na or the asre court no ama okwan ema o dey appeal against that decision. So decision no so ye defective. Bear in mind say because ye defective ninti no time na ya ka say essentially the appeal started from when the decision was made, you know. Some time no ever stop to run because decision no a defective. A defective because the Emrana prescribed says it's a home office for itself say na ubetimi aye no or man can't. Home office for our guidance since September 2022 a church a year decisions are ubetimi appeal o matroche ni nyina mu ewo honom saa susu na o hwe section 113 of NEA 2002 eno susu chirechireo asylum application de etie human rights application sene etie ene kwan a obefa so a saa decisions ni nyina obetimi appeal against it so manye it is very 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 important say ye application email la yedi yes application no you be checking on a regular basis you be call your junk mail you be call your spam na yetimi a check ehu say decision number and answer e maye say indeed decision na maye and a home office for atro say beje o passport wakoje visa mom vignette mom ya ma bibia again o akwanya say obetimi a challenge omo yes ubetimi a challenge you by writing to them say unsanka decision no even though unsaka passport na visa anim no unsanka say unsaka sa decision no ekire ya yes again ubetimi anya kwanya ubetimi a make appeal against sa decision no ne nyina ne say ubetoto niema ye say wonnim ne ye wo ya da bia meka say ment na fie na enye because yes ye be kire eniema mu enye aha na ebenya kwan akyerɛkyerɛ ne nyinaa mu kosi ase, even though we try as much say you be breaking it down say the be ya obeti ase, but eba say ye challenge home office e wo niema bi say hu a aya na ye de emra ene niema bi ekeka ho ehye mu din ehye mu kana say the be ya water tight na omo nsa ka omo hu say we ekwan bia ni ba bi a o de ko challenge omo na ese say omo ye ne ese say omo ye na omo ma wakonya no na court nso so etumi ma wakonya na o appeal against our decision no manye na kakra o hono no.
Yola Patrick Medase, senior watching no sa na tie dodo na amutie yem yesrem ani die mu senior lawyer akyekire mu no sa yem bia wanti bibia se akonya wo ho a obetumi afrɛ na webisa further explanation and asentete mu yie na wenya na bibia ode kan ho ɛyɛ me de ne sɛ ɔsɛ wo ho most of the time no say bi mu be application a ebia na email kro mu ni bio into that point na or better try to create and generate an email non-fanya sa application no into what tray no mbia na waye nice password be hoping and as thinking so betimi akai sa password no obehu a submit application e kwa ni refi password no so wan tran to ho enti even how to access that particular email no so na akwaya asem ebia onimpo say to me forgetting password na wakwa access wo baby enti we nneoma nkitinkiti no say ehye ne nso sanso na emails ni bi wo ho a lot of people they don't use email enye hwe so the first time we use email no onim say you have to be checking your emails regularly and edwuma oye no emfa email ho edwuma oye no hwe nkyerɛ sɛ ɔnkɔ hwɛ ne email anaasɛ ɔno anabrabo mu bi ɔne email ni twakan bia nanso na ne refi sɛ ɔde email na yɛ a very important application bi akɔ efikasie mu nti na ɔsɛ saa no on check email no regular ebi mu kra nim po sɛ email no yɛ wɔ bibi e friend spam anaasɛ junk ebi mu so nim saa nienti a many abre wo ho no I happen to be teaching some few adults ye kaso mun create email na ye obibisa na ade ani junk ade ani spam they have no idea intimi nim say obi ken e face such problem many other for many say eba ne say why ye email bi now their application abomodiam na check it odi onim kra kona ko hu lawyers no monye ma minim say ya ba lawyers nso ya no bi say o say metie lawyer wo program so na me metimi aye my application aden na me sanfa lawyer so there are few technical issues be no embia na wanko hu ni ye through this platform but omunim senior lawyer Patrick ekan lawyer Patrick afeyenko yenim enti no say me bisa one or two questions based on the yesua sisia o kan bibi say there is a pointer ye to me the passport no e de brew na hwe nim obese hwe enim enti eno sa na unim say you refuse you have no idea enti when you fall into that category and I say we hu sa bibia once MBA you've not checked your emails no for that period that obe say MB kana wo chance be to appeal and I said wakwa ko hu email afi no akọ passport ne ba ye chire na wo check email na che say even no my decision na send you the email no kra and sign our passport do nten enti say ma 14 days to appeal la na obehwe no ayembia no na sa 14 days na twem mesra wo eba ne sa a step by step no embia na nye lawyer na okohu no wo na ogina wo nanso na wo ye wo hade step by step we hu decision aba say embia na ye refuse and say you stand a chance to appeal enti no step by step no edie na o say wo ye because your passport na ba ehwinim o can say mbia ombetumi aka say the person is still waiting for a decision from the home office but here is the case no okwa check ni spam mu anase ni junk mu decision ni bia ba nke wo say or stand a chance to appeal wanye na emre no nso ayema no etwem la Patrick edena o say wo ye
Right, Manye, that's a very, very good question. Now, bear in mind that one our application, Eddie will email Asheso. Now, Home Office for a make a decision, almost the decision of Bebrel. So, where Home Office for Eddie decision Abrel, na enema ya kyerɛkyerɛ no anɔpa nyina no ɔma follow no sɛnea ɛteɛ no it means sɛ yɛama wo ho kwan sɛ wobɛtumi appeal against saa decision no na woanyɛ na time a yɛde ama wo no ɛpa ho a na ɛyɛ wo ɛna wayɛ nti sɛ wokɔ court sɛ afei na wo nsa aka decision no anaa afei na wahu decision no wokɔ akɔ appeal against saa decision a ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi ma court no reasons nti a home office ɛde decision ne brɛ wo na ɔmo ma wo time sɛ time say na wobɛtumi ɛde ayɛ appeal anaasɛ administrative review na wanyɛ no within saa time no ɛyɛ wo ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ woma saa reason no die nti a wanyɛ saa then sɛ ɛkɔ wo spam a yes wobɛtumi aka saa reason no but ɛyɛ reason a ɛtɔ ase mu anaa well it depends on the ɔhwɛ saa application to appeal na ɔde ama no no sɛ either sɛ ɔbɛgye atum anaasɛ ɔnye ntom because yes sɛ biribi kɔ o spam box mu a ɛka wo email no ho so the expectation is sɛ wo check wo inbox a o spam no so ka ho because ɛsɛ sɛ wowɔ nsusue bi sɛ obi send wo email na ankɔtɔ wo inbox no mu a ɛbɛtumi akɔtɔ o spam no mu nti once you check wo inbox no ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi check o junk mail anaasɛ o spam box no so na wohwɛ sɛ biribi akɔtɔ mu a ehia sɛ o respond to a nti ɛno no ne ade a ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ sɛ wo kɔ court no na afei na wahu decision na wo kɔ appeal a ɛkyɛw pa na wo de kɔ court no akɔpa wo mo kyɛw sɛ yes ebi a decision no bae but ebi a ɛkɔ o junk mail nti no wanhu na wasrɛ court no apa na kyɛw na watumi agye ɛyɛ saa appeal no ɛde atum because bear in mind home office ankasa no ɛnlusu hwee sɛ ɔmo ma wo ho kwan sɛ appeal against our decision so half of the time no and I said most of the time no sɛ utimi ɛma good reason ti a wantimi anya appeal no within the time na nka ɛsɛ sɛ wɔyɛ no na court no betimi ama wo ho kwan ama wa continue with the appeal no manye
You lawyer Patrick Meda Sibium na obi bisa me say na is there any possibility say lawyers no so their form so no decision ya akwa kopi omu junk mail mu na almost on time. It's funny though, but lawyers no mo email they are very active you know na before they will miss an email no na just a one hour email na person but I believe said definitely the lawyers also keep checking their junk mails and spam mails no na omo hu say obi can away at their ban and of course on say when you exchange emails with a particular firm and so there is no way that firm sending you an email best call spam it's most of the time your first time emails no na ya na obi respond na so omo throw about ho a etumi call spam money o junk monti eno nso ye nhye ne so la pa me da se ne nchechemu a wo de abraham na question back nso am raise here ni say o kan bibi say mbia na humanitarian visa ana o ya visitors visa na based on a bit of humanitarian reason into no obetumi appeal for that visa say ba ne say you refuse so a enti eno sa no na enchechem na obi ka okay ono ne yire ne mba ne ba say ewa ha say but ono mo in particular no nya na adwen say ono so ba bet na abrocho won adwuma papa a oye ofie a bibia enti okoje ye ka ne sen visitors visa say opese oba na ombesra ne yire ne mba but you refuse no based on one or two things. Inti eno sa no owo nkwala wa ha no owo ma wa ha no. Is there any possibility to bet me gina so say nimba wa ho person obehwe mo under humanitarian grants no na wetumi appeal ana abraye state wo ni we mo refusal we mo say you can't appeal the decision o my make no mpacho betumi egina bibi so aye.
Yes, Manya, obetimi because so visitors visa application na yes indeed uba besra wabusia it raises the issue of family life, any human rights issue as well. Into yes, obetimi anya kwanya na wa appeal against our decision. No. So ma no ho kwanya again, obetimi a judicial review against our decision. No. Na Home Office for no etimi ama no ho kwanya. Now the problem with that, and then say not with the application to appeal, no, but the problem with the visitors visa application na nipa we or you know, and then say. Sɛ wowɔ ɛyere wɔ ha, wowɔ mma wɔ ha, na wokɔyɛ application sɛ woba visitor. Nipa na all make a decision no. What comes to the forefront of their mind in say, bia, try say, go through the back door to come and stay. And then they see says, oh, yere wɔ ha there. Na bia, obetimi ayɛ spousal application there. Then why go use the visitor visa route? Adenti na wonkɔyɛ a year appendix FM application na won famba and then su kra de yenim say sa applications ni nyina no akwanya wo ho a ubetimi aye the friend no a fee waiver no say untimi afford fee na ubetimi aye fee waiver. So then there's no issue to do with untimi afford application no enti na onyeye. It is a one na wo koye wo visitors visa application, not the intention no enye say o de ba betena ha permanently, but genuinely, oh yeah, visitors visa application. Then as I say, what to do near my because the consideration of visitors visa application, no, very very subjective. Nipa na all make a decision no and na share. Or here's a wona o bano. Ubetimi actually a demonstrate say indeed sa oba obesan wachi akwa na. That is the question. Inti sa obesan wachi akwa e din e na bema wo ubedu ha oyere oma ewa ha obesan wachi akọ Ghana edien poti na wo Ghana nti a ebetwe akọ edien poti e na wo Nigeria ebetwe akọ edien poti e na wo Italy a ebesan atwe akọ. Those are the questions omu bisa omu ho enye questions wo na wo kire omu esese wo na wo demonstrate say oba obesan akọ, but they will be asking themselves these questions. And those answers, no, woman kasabete kisa answers, no. So when you're convinced that you probably will not get the visitor's visa, and the only way you probably would, resolve this is by challenging it. Na ebia onsaka, and also say still na no onsanka. However, so when say the intention is say oh barbet nadia, then why not go through the right channel, submit application ebema 2.5 years now waba. Uba now be this 6 months uba ye bibi kakra bi now pesa kwa. You can just go and come back. And no mumbe boa since bia yes uba kwa koye application na ho nsem no eye bebre na ye be refuse na afi na o challenge manye.
Asamo runse ne onye na adwen so betina abrochire. Ne ho so no wo de Ghana na ote no on your visit keke no aba na okọ papa na lawyer dia betu ho no Home Office for no my employ for no mo di se adwuma no o be say o my psychology da nti no things when it comes to things questioning the mind and what answer is available to them no omo nimpa nti no wo na say to me prove say question where I will be say me answer ni and that is the correct answer or so when I also prove sir but so no abegina no ne answer ne so dia de bia on be refuse sir nti sa na tie oni adofo yegusu ewa ha wo question bia opese wo bisa it could be say and that topic ayesua no wo question was so enye no nso we are not limiting you betin bisa question bia efa family law home efa ye can say immigration home efa litigation circumstances efa mitigation so you betumi be say bibia emra ye ba ne mra wo betumi bisa lawyer Patrick wa ha lawyer Debra wa ha na omunchechire mum emfama yenhwe ye can say efidie no so dodo na aba na omo edi nchi akese ma ye ni question 1 or 2 bi ewo so na afi yenhwe yembie telephone lines no ene telephone line ebedi dwuma ensesa ye se nia monim na enoa na ebe use so enti misramo mon share program na ma ene ma share pa nti mo a mo pemwa ewo K4 mon share dia K4 emwa ho mon share program na BWF Solicitors and so mon share program no ema ye nenkwe chichichichichichi yenka ye call Teresa Mame Teresa J1 Teresa Duchumwa Oh, see, good morning, lawyer. Sana Richie, and now say to Tunes, good morning, lawyer Patrick. Yena, Ejemoso, Kevin, Asamanso, the good morning, man, any lawyer Patrick, Ejemoso, Yabuachi, Ejemine, say good morning, team, BWF Solicitors, and all fellow students. Not just all Bob, or more, it's here for Dodona, Ebasono. Sana, mommy, da Kwanzas, good morning, lovely family. Mammy, Yensu, Yajoso. Evelyn, don't got the question, be abbot to her, mention it quickly now. Yembie telephone lines na ntum. Evelyn Donko say, good morning. Oh, I deal with the you, Miss Remo Meba. Obi a temper with my oh my days, Miss Remo Meba.
Hello.
And Pacho, hold on 1 minute, I'm coming. Why?
Okay.
You, then is okay, yes. Yo, and Pacha, hold on 1 minute. Main kind of questions in the answer. I say, good morning, lawyer Patrick Emmanuel. Please, I went to Ghana with my Ghana passport. I have British passport. So when coming back, I showed my British passport to Ghana immigration, but they insisted I show them my Ghana passport because I may not be a Ghanaian. I had a tough time with the immigration officer. Please, are they right to do that? Thank you. Question where the you. Hello, Patrick. Are the immigration officers right to request your Ghanaian passports if indeed you are Ghanaian whilst you hold a British passport in Pacho?
Okay, so I mean, it's a bit funny, and the reason I say that in this, okay, into nipana backroom ho. First of all, yamana backroom, abeye di obeye nyina awie. Se sebe boni bi na oba se obedia, nka wabedi saa boni na wie a opia ko. Afe ansa na ye bebisa no ekrokra ofri so. I think that is a bit, questionable. But yes, so Utu Kwanya, the reason why she may have been stopped, and that's again the reason why I say, to allow her to enter the country now, but for questions, a bit, I don't know why that happened. But the nipa me sure say oye and say all ko Ghana no because say oye Ghana ni no okuta ne Ghanaian passport and okuta ne British passport. So we are Ghana ni na wo ko krum ana ufri krobia so na wo ko krum na saa kro no omo practice dual citizenship ha. Then it means say we nipa ba ko but ufri krom yi no so. Nti say wo ko mother country na yes ubetimi ede o passport nako and ehia sa obekwa akogye visa, and this is why this person traveled on a Ghanaian passport. Inti nipa mimi nsusie ne say all ko Ghana no because say oye Ghana ni no or the Ghanaian passport no any two kwan no inti okoye no ohia visa or the Ghana passport no any remu e de call ye chrome all ba no esese ochire die nti a owo ho kwan se oba krom ha. So oba krom ha esese otimi show se oba krom ha owo bibia ema no ho kwanya se oba krom ha either se oba betna ha anaso se visitor visa no ache esese otimi ekire sa eno ne o British passport because eno na ma ho kwan se obetimi aba krom ha eno na esese immigration for no omo check minim die nti a omo insisi se ombehwe ne Ghana passport. But in any case, when I would to quine, what could do o British passport actually? Yes, it's a set your share of Ghana passport. Manye, I wouldn't wait 1 second to pull my Ghanaian passport to show them a Ghana ni na menyem atwamu akome baby. So, say you delay ye nua baby, I think say a fan baby no bia na also contributes to sad delay no because it was a simple instruction say my share o Ghanaian passport. Say oye Ghana ni ebia na omunsu suye ne say because say ode eye British passport no na kire wo mo no u breachi eye immigration law na e Ghana no because yenim say esese wo ko na onye Ghana ni a ebia oje visa free here ansa na wako anasa obeje visa no e wo port ansa na wa wuram nti say ukuta British passport no na eye empty na hwe ni mu a then yes indeed as I say immigration officers no a question the entire oba ye krom ha one fa mra kwan so one fa kwan papa so ambe wura ye krom na emu no memi susue mu de esese nka omo ye saa checks no ansa na wura krom no manye
na em say Ghana ye bi mo nso no ya na ahisem kakra ye yende todo ebi wa ye betina brochire saa na edu airport ye feel say ye nim chen omo nso nti ya na omo ye omo edwuma na ye pese ye kanta me hu bebre even okọ Ghana embassy o cry bi mo ye kase o da bi ye ni say na omo buefu na misremo obia ye na edwuma obi anti ye accept say o ye na edwuma ade a we bisa na wa kire no because obi nti you going through all this tough time now you could have avoided it odofo wa homa so kafra mpacha wo ka se free me ente wonka
Me bacha me kasa Freelander.
yo mpacha
Good morning.
you good morning
Bacha we aboko.
adom nkwa na ahwe yie won so
Na me adum mo me na me adum ye da. Lawyer so asu. Bacha me question to me busa lawyer.
kosoma
Me bacha my application for naturalization.
okay
Na me koye no me component no mo catch me so within 7 to 10 days. Let's say a home office for nka. But almost nearly 2 months to me, email me so on kind. My be worried that it's me just and you didn't cook.
yo lawyer be you man na bia na ye ka ho asem no say it could be said they've even replied you long time akopie with spam mo and so junk mo and be na regularly wo nhwe enti no it's possible but yentie ne lawyer nso be ka say ayem bia ne kwan so ana yo lawyer Patrick mpacho
yes
adaro
manye so first of all no baby a madam ko born inside no omo nye immigration officers omo nye decision making officers omo ni home office for year adwuma enti no omo ni influence over decision bia home office and asset nationality department no obe make so they are not able to tell you when a decision no ebeba so it was wrong to start with. Some can't say, "Oh, decision no be within 10 working days." No, that is not the case. So we nationality application the standard time is say 6 months. But there are times omutimi make a decision a lot more earlier than that time. And then so there yenim say enema bebre ewo ya kwam. Your backlog very 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 long ewo honom. And sana Ukraine so ababeka ho nti enomu no nyina ma yen applications ni bebre ho a sesenka bia ye no a lot quicker no etimi check akra but saa 7 to 10 working days na omuka chiro no pacho enye correct unless case worker no wa hwe application no when we say no here so be waste time no why decision there that's fine but enye de omuka chiro wo biometric center no enye no na home office for no e year adwuma timpacho share so give yourself some time wako 2 months ma home kakra ka ho ebeba and if you did the application correctly and also meet the requirement now then you are assured say ubenya a successful decision manye right, Manya, I think that I think so. When me too, right. Okay, still, still.
sorry mpamucho
Right, okay.
Yeah, my system ne mo afei no yo order for wa homa so kafra ye jo so na mpacho o kasa frame me ente wonka
Pacho, because every meeting came.
yo papa good morning
With the question now will be beside lawyer Patrick. HH about will be also call Ghana or then a British passport and a Ghana passport. No. Me call Ghana me by just 3 days ago.
okay
The same thing to say the lawyer Patrick. I say to him, me beside immigration officer as much as to say me the Ghana passport to buy no I can say me Ghana ni me kono me and I'm saying me need visa warming British passport to me say me yeah I'm passing me Ghana ni straightforward what they try yeah no one also call into the mo kind I Ghana for yenya abotre or yenya abotre into where the contribution I year 3 days ago yeah into me that say
Yo, yes, yeah, that's Sanya, yes, yeah, that's na American. I told you, yeah, Ghana for no. You see, when we are in abroad, no, Uko Ubruni officer, let me put it that way. Uko Ubruni officer, ni all canon na oye, bibia waki bia, but yes, yeah, who I am meaning, say ye den yo. Ute hu pa ubisa we na upese utre no. I remember very well last 2 weeks mo Ghana embassy hop. Na obi buy see on fire can say or your application and them say document now also show no back enso ye nti e can say there without that no yen proceed ho no de nsa bona de no pan and ya mo refund me say mo nya de now I was like catch it to boy to boy documents out there be see enso so they can proceed with the application call na sign cover bra or say kokoko because of manko na aba nti osan na cha sa kwachire man kopa ko yi sa document ene o cancel application no o cancel no so o say o mo refund o ho na yen refund no which ushomwa we don't do it that way papa na training mun say you can't do that still our insist na na obo table so na ade some of this attitude no yeah towards it because untumi nko broni office ka say ene pan you should refund me you can't do that so ade no enti no Ghana for misramo yenya abotrema ye ho obia ya kye na adwuma a oye unless utumi unse nipa ko na de oye incompetence ene ya wo ho kwan se wo report to management enya na enim ho na obebobọ obonoma say wo onya na adwuma ye wo mfa nkye no I'm not going to show you my passport I'm not going to hey emboa ye Ghana for ye follow instruction na enya nyina asum ye embra yo 0208123116 anase 073 9920 8468 ubetumi afre na wonso we bisa o questions anso na ubetumi eja message ewo voice note so ewo WhatsApp yi 0759662015 me wo question ba ko ana yembisa o say good morning Manyeti good morning lawyer Patrick I am French national settled in the UK. I got married 2017 with Ghanaian national who is currently residing in France with my 4-year-old daughter who is French national. What are the procedure and requirements to bring them from France to live with me in the UK? Thank you. Patroni question no. Lawyer Patrick. Say ote me dia, ote me nkan.
Right, yes, manya. Enti yenue ose waware ne yere since 2017. And so odi omu nyina kodi France. Omote honum. Ono ankasa mu no French national. Wabetina krom ha. So my assumption is waye ni EU settlement scheme nibi amaya mano status under the scheme. So waye sa there then na under an S1 no wababe a relevant EU citizen or tikrom ha. So sanity there because he nim say what form on the relationship no before the deadline date of 31st December 2020 no still no or wakwenya say the wife and then the man ombetimi aba so omo ye citizens wo ho because omo amba be remu before ansana ye free mu no omo ntimi emma be remu enkasa omo obetena ha on their own unless it be a omo ba visit nti as is all year application emma omo for family permit na omo nam so free France edeba.
Okay, yo. Say utie intino ye na wamame we dada. Yo, order for wa humaso ma good morning pacho BWF Solicitors legal waso ne we. O kasa frame ye nte wonka.
Many about Nana Kwame.
Yo, Nana Kwame, you are welcome.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, nipa na obeka say onya tough time. Mr. Program where some of pay na more advice Ghanaians na so be our country. All free a hair con Bruni and a bisa said, yeah, now they call Ghana because British passport won't be clear or Heathrow or which airport in UK
Sir.
without Ghana a visa and a passport. Yama embodied plane.
Sir.
Because we need visa to your country of destination.
Is true.
What banner ye visa the passport no show. Here na chese o Ghana ni because we to country ni na chese o Ghana. You are bro for mo so country. You also do how also young caso country you young caso Ghana ni and I send the color ni on your Ghana ni. What may entry a hopeful. Then I will say, you call British High Commission. After 7 you omu or any fan or year, Jumano. Or sure be how money on Casai. Now Casai and no Casai. I'll be just when you are tough time. Tough time for what? Passport to show each and the cake. Maybe because that would do have say no way you where you Ghana your friends say
no
British passport.
Embia no nim ntina obi sa say e wo ho kwan se wo ye no embia no nim
I send no onim pa na you be say you chira le what dey na chezo Ghana any me passport me simple. That one free.
Yo, yes, yes, here that's it. Oh, many about where the question, yes, here bombard you, but Nyomo patron say you could have avoided this tough time now you went through. Why? Ain't no tia, I'm an house in beer, your boy, yo, yen so. Other for one who must pacho question of bisana yanko bansa na obe bisan pacho mami 1 second bi na me hwa de wa ha na em say me madi mami we were say tough time and so I have but then we'll get to that near about tough time na say what to do no Lawyer Patrick abecheche mu kama which is okay wacheche mu na kakra anya se manya kanada ba anya se me san boso biom but yen remind ye ho yesrem ani die mu yen remind ye ho you know ubetna broche kakra you learn from your community so ubetna mu usua ade kakra free mu na etode bia when we are relating to each other yen kromfo no na yen say yenim kakra ana yenim dodo chen omo yemfa ne say wherever they are no almost standard of working no either say eso weni ana say enso weni no sa na omo gina so e de ye omo dwuma enti say wo complain bi wo bibi nya wo de wo ho a authorities wo ho obetumi a request okay why ya dey say amame wa why memom embia na me ni nji services a wo de ma me enti hina wan ho na metumi akọ na makọ make enti no ukọ na ye chewa enye say you are making complaints say you be you obi edi but for them to what omo share sa omo review no omo change that services services no omo render no and so customers nenia na ometumi ahwe na omo ya aba so ho so wo ho bebia department obekọ bia no you have that freedom so obetumi aye complain say bibi enya wo de wo ho a obetumi enya wo ho kwan you're right say you complain to the services na ye render ma na anya wo de no obetumi aye but then ye wo procedure obeye se ni omo nso no ya na ebo omo na omo ntumi nye den and bring change because embia na service no mo render no enye enso customers enia they almost they have the right to change enti yen hye sa de ne nso yo papa odina so mpacho wadaroma o ka se free him ayente wonka
Manja, good morning.
Good morning.
Lawyer, is it lawyers?
Lawyer Patrick.
Lawyer Patrick.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
I'm saying I'm coming to be answered. My boss work. I was in the program. I'm from Julia. You can't hear it.
Hey, sir. Now, many bene kase misro.
What's it?
But you din.
From home.
You koso.
Okay. Lawyer Patrick, my year application for extension for 2.5 years maybe. Nah, which didn't know was a miana me ye. Makubo mensano wo baby boy and sano na 7 months ni. Me kubo mensano ba na baby makubo mensano UK as I'm trying to say UK as I say UK VS Yeah, almost sending me email and message say they can confirm to me say getting for no I receive the supporting
Documents, okay.
A basic necessary no work say home office for no and cash a match ma and I ya cry na check a cry na this me shave me go for the kakra no have me
No, how? Oh.
You know, me kobo me san no ko no pia na ya friend what's me dey buy 6 months in here me san famra intino I mean who me dey me ya like bi o ha me tima ya na
Yo, la mama, eh? Oh, yes, yeah, a drano for my mama, crab. Yo, Papa, La Patrick, you bear me 7 months, Nanka, was 6 months, waiting time. Now 7 months, they be a toss, a dear Namono or so too. Now you remember for a hand.
Right, we the on Kafra. Like Debbie, Beman Humwa, and on good morning. Yes.
Okay, good morning. So in regards to that, 6 months is the standard time to receive a decision for your immigration application. However, as Lawyer Patrick has already stated, there's a backlog. So COVID-19 and also the Ukraine crisis has meant that the Home Office have different priorities now. So perhaps they haven't yet seen your application, but I would say, they've issued a guidance to say that 11 months now is the standard waiting time, and that could even be more. So I'll say with 7 months, you still have at least 4 months left before you're able to hear anything. So I'll say please have patience and wait, and let's hope that by the 11th month or even before that, you would have heard something from Home Office. But rest assured that the application is with them. They've received your supported documents.
Okay, so Manye, Lawyer Debbie, poto no poto kasem no nyina ne titia ne say yes. Nanka emre bi atwam no na enim so your application no kwa within 6 months no nanka e bia wanya wo decision. Yenim say since Ukraine buy Home Office afa sebe nyansakwan so aye nsachare kakra sebe ya omususo ani betumi akọ omunyina amansan mra omode omonsa akọ sha sie bi no omani betumi akọ se omobebo Ukraine fo a omu edwane abebo omo ho adwa wa ha no eban nti ama nsachare abakakra nti first no sa 6 months na ye nyina ye ni daso no ene omse da bi wo ye application na ebia ugina wo baso anaso se wankasa private life na ugina so ede ye ya ebetimi eteki 11 months ede kro se bibia nsi kwan a ombeye decision nemom even after sa 11 months no se bia bibi wo ho nti omu ntimi nye decision a ebetimi abrosa nti ye besre na katachi enya abotre kakra se the wedi kan aka no UK Vicars for ascending the documents no e dia come Home Office for ama mama no confirmation say omon saka the documents no which means say asem papa afe e na omo hwe na omo make a decision once omo hwe make a decision no da bia ye ka the right now na wo ho ansa na o making an application no it doesn't extinguish in free honum e da so wo honum into section 3C ebebo no ho ban na juma na oye no omuntimi nyina de omuntimi suspend no de ombeya ne so mbebisa obisa on control say why an application on find a reference number na ma omo na onja o ma omo say omo na mmra no hye omo say omo nye de ye frɛ no employer checking service omo nkoye omo adwuma manye
sa ye da say you for ni bi hard bi mo human resource we bi ye lazy ankasa na ye ba no say be find omo 5,000 de no mo ho pre omo yo uketechie mesra we ni de mo ye wie program na frɛ me nya sure say wa frɛ me amamfa my phone for the past 2-3 weeks my sokra nyina ye me ya me pick obia phone o frɛ na me ho miss call no kra na my excuse adem bia me ye bia na ma frɛ entin frɛ me why ye nya odofo bi wa homa no na mpacho hold on 1 second answer na maybe say asema me kan one question bi ewo ade ne so answer na ye nua maame ya ejewa bisa very short one or say lawyer please how long does it take for Home Office to make decision on naturalization application done online. And say wanya answer no. I don't know say when I offer ya earlier on no how long no obey my answer there. But Frank and so they can say please may I know your number and oh, okay. What can may I know your number, Frank? Mr. Mpacho, why number now? Bisa, is it the program I hear your number now? Bisa me personal number, Mr. Obe to me. I question outside. Okay, yati Mpacho. Say me number now. Dia. Look at the one that we leave the voice note. 07596620154 no. Ufre no after the program now. Ubenyame, if that is the one you are looking for. Odo for one masumpacho, your frau say na okasa friend.
Manjeti mi pacho me abim from pon na me pese me follow up question kakra.
Okay.
Na edin kamida lawyer the was studio ne the ochichi move for ne lawyer Patrick.
Yeah,
na de na me pese lawyer Patrick ehun ne say UKVS for no there. I'm gonna confirm, man. I'm gonna send me say they can confirm to me say Sekisium phone has received my supporting document. But Sekisium phone ankasa pa there. Lala bibia ni wa send them say say and as I say me back on no me worry back on no. And I to be mo no. Enti no maka say 11 months they say bibia ni wa metima ye and I be who meet my patcho me for that question.
Yo, la Patrick. I say if you can say money dear na la you. Good morning, Croma Manibio. Nti no sana dear no nye.
Right, yo, Katashia Frimpon Manson. Enti send tie ni. UKV CAS for no. A home office for ena ede adwuma hye omonsa se omonye. Nti se wokọ na okọbọ wonsa no na ode o documents na ema omo a asudie eda omo so se esese omo uploadu sa documents no ede koma home office for se omo ye sa de ni wi a esese omo notify omo bo amane se omo de wo documents no akoma home office ene ya me no kasei se wo ye application ede ko home office a enti se kane no omo ntro letter emfa mbese se sebe yensa aka wo application no de ema wo hu se wa ye application no number 1 eye se wa wotena ase a wo ye application no watuaka ya tisika na free account mu edi adanse se wa ye application edi adanse se home office for ensa aka application no number 2 wo ye application ni wie yeso no wa book appointment akoye o biometric it is part of the consideration process no nti wo kobo wonsa no a again eno so ya adanse a ekire se home office for ensaka application enu mo ni nyina di adanse na enu achi no ubisa se 7 months ekwen edie na ubetimi aye not a lot se ubisa mia unless se uwo bibi potin bi a wode kire yes ye di kan aka wo platform yi so say yes se uwo bibi potin bi wo wabraboma eye exceptional enu ntino upese home office for expedite application a yes ubetimi aka kire wo no maye na sa bibia eye exceptional no ya bobo biso ebi ni se e bi a sebe wa ye ne wo kasai ohun kani bi anase obusuani bi a oben wo waka ba bi nti esese wo kwa yie o papa o maame nti no wo ehun adanse a obetimi ede a kire anaso se sebe e bi a yareson bi abo esese wo koje ayaresa na sa ayarehwe ewa amanone ya ma o date ya ma o bibia o twen senka officer ne beba na watimi akọ mai eno so betimi agina so e de aye application e de akọ home office omo expedite application enfama senye sa netie na ebi a sabe obi kan hu na kakra e na bronya ebe nka opese ukona ukotwasi enye fuusi small si e wo Ghana na odeba enti open ntema mepacho enye adwuma se ebia obabi na eware na enu ntino opese ukọ word na eno so nye reason a se home office for expedite application mepacho ukoka kire OMPA se oka kire home officer you are likely to get the same answer na medema osisia because omo ntimi influence hwe de omo beye ne se omo bekwa akopatcha on your behalf omo kopasa achewo na yes they are likely to get the same response medema ono nti yes unless eniema amakekan bibi so bi poten bi ɛwɔ abrabɔ mu a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ na yɛgyina so na yɛde expedite application no it be very difficult sɛ wobɛ convince home office for sɛ ɔmo mfa mmerɛ wɔ ɛnɛ ne ɔkyena.
Yo, okay,
Okay,
Yensu ye dasi papa. Yensu ye dasi. Yen kind near wahanon so obi di aba Mr. Momo de ba me direct na maniso na na you who aboard ne so. Good morning, please. Theophilus, my question is you family member in my question is, I am EU family member. In my 5 years, do I qualify to bring my wife, which I'm about to go and marry? Oh, okay. And I feel no call worry na or one 5 year muni. Into 5 years muni into bisa do I qualify to bring my wife, which I am about to go and marry? Patroni question, lawyer Patrick. Akonya wo homa na.
Right, Manye. As is all a bit careful. The reason I say that is EA family member.
Member.
On the family member no na deban say ba anase oyere anase oyekunu okwakoware. Nti say e hye no nso. Say oye family member, the other thing is no say because say onye settled no untimi nkofa obi emfiri amano no emma se ohu kani ese se oye settled answer nti yenua ya o kase o se owo 5 years residence card ye de amano se family member so ye yere anaso oye kunu no no de ese se ono be chichi mu tren anaso se oye ba no eno so ese se chichi mu tren but the important point is because onye settled no ontimi enkonkofa obimma because ono amuna nkasa no oye family member onye EU ni oye EU ni susu a nka ne ya afi na oye na dwen se okoware obidi na baye saa time na esese nka otimi di kire se ye free EU no a form on a relationship no eno susu apa ho nti ye begina eye immigration rules no so ena or the aye application no amanaba nti no se ye nue owo adwin pobi se oye we na de akofa ne ho kani na ba ene na onwini ho yie because onye settled into ontimenya manye
Yo, Lawyer Patrick here does say, Franco Poco question now bisa no say if it's to do with immigration and I say family law and I say bibia yes who won betimi bisa Lawyer Patrick be you and I say who bisa enye part of adusuane ho a because you made mention of topic you say topic na ye trend bia na enye no ho na wo pese obisa but then any other question relating to the program migration obe to me ebisa obe nso the voice note about me born a short amayeti na ansa na media no beba no Emmanuel GC can I use my bank statement and pay slip to support my brother who want to study in the UK? My brother I deal with Emmanuel G Menya show. Lawyer Patrick, to me using the bank statement to support the brother or person or by UK based idea.
right on to me I mean omotimi sponsor nko for ma ombesua de wo krom ha no specified na brother enka ho se yenua ya opese obesua de na wofo betimi aye se yenua ba man ewu sika bi a opese ode boa ne nua na de obetimi aye ne se obetimi di saa sika no ama ne nua no na ne nua no e de ato na account mu na ode show se owu sika na ode be application ana so se obetimi di ama eye your friend say na wofo soso wo Ghana because omo na ne ba omo ba nti omo soso betimi a kire se omo hwe omo ba no ema ne dia ko school but ono a oye nua no de dabi manye
On to me yo le apatre da se na mesa di dwuma no eda so etwagu wo screen ni obetumi afre ana weja voice note yentie yenua be mai.
Good morning, Manny T. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. I mean, Shira Monet Mopamoye, Mpacha, Femi Hama, me Cassa Free Leicester, me Pacha Woo. Nam Pessimi say, me ye near me grandchildren, Eba Hesse. na ɔbaako yɛama onya indefinite no ɔmo baeɛ 3 years ne March na menya indefinite no yɛma no indefinite sɛsi abɔfra no ɔkɔ university nti tam bɛn ɛna obetumi apply for British book no. My first question no ɛna ni a waware obi ɛde ne firi Ghana ba but aware no yɛ after the almost free mu no after Brexit nti immigration law no ɛna onipa ko no ɛde baeɛ nti saa onipa no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ school a yɛbɛtumi ama no this year ya no baeɛ nkyɛn mu ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ school a obɛtumi anya support anaa aban bɛtumi ka support no because sɛ de yere no yɛ yiyi ni na anaa meda mo ase paa nyame nhyira mo na adwuma pa mo yɛ.
Okay, Lawyer Patrick, we'll be 2 questions. Na yenhwe say you kind nyina na amane moaya.
Well, okay. So first question regarding your mofra na o maba no. Yenim so mo wo indefinite. So see nationality laws no emu aye emre kakra. Nti yes omo wo have 3 years near. Omo betimi application discretionary but because omo ye enkwala omo te ha omo nana wa ha omo nana nya application bia but yenim so omo wa ha omo ko school wa ha omo life ni bibia e wa ha no omo timi kyerɛkyerɛ omo nsɛmu ya yes omo timi ameki application no under section 3.1 no discretionary na yetimi ama omo citizenship. Number 2 no obi a waba krom ha on the basis of any EU national but under the immigration rules ni ehwe say o school a moaben na wo hodom. First of all no your residency requirement esese umiti normally no 3 years. Nti yenu enso obaye encheye yenim se ni kunu wa ha na emom no wama on the basis of the EU law oba on the basis of your immigration rules no. Nti yes esese otwen kakra na onya omiti residency requirement na what me I make application for help on that basis. Manye.
Yo, Lawyer Patrick here that's message back on so abba or say or your software na or sorry wa ha na akonya ben kwan ben na obetumi ejina asori no so na wakope instrumentalist na musician aba na asori no mo na ombeboa na dwumadie no na obisa se akonya bi wo ho a document ben na wo se ode kire na osofo we dia ukohu lawyers na nka omenya abotrechechiro mo pa o nti Lawyer Patrick mfacho obetumi ama no bibi kakra obetumi ede ono so
right manye akwanya no ho ye nyina nim se skilled worker route no aba na sa religious route yi so eka ho ti se sa na opeso ya akwanya no ho but se na ositi kan no yes ompinchen expert ombra o make appointment number office na yene international na yen cheche because se onya license chere so betimi de sa nkrofo nyina aba ene enema bebre keka account yes on pebre na omra na yene international manye
emre ni ho enka no nioma obehia for license nka o train ni mo because eno na obisa ho titiru but say osofo minim de but obetumi akwa hu lawyers na emre no yemre na ka 2 minutes na mimbisa the last question no na was that test video maybe that last question no na sorry yenko yenim when so say or yeah or student dependent oba kromo ni kunu na ye student na on ne yire ono ye dependent enti oba ya brand ni sha school ase em say okoye enrollment na ya abanti next payment fee na o so de kono ni papa ne ni da so say obeti ama no empofro mu papa no aka baabi sika oja ye no na che say enya ade ti so so otwen na ni o say benefit bi ne papa wo insurance enioma bebre bi ansa na obetumi nye bi etua but akonya ni hosa ontume ntwenti we guy school no na ne yire nyame adom no okonya adwuma pa eye care work yi bi big very big company wo kroma or ye ne adwuma Into omo nso no eduru me bi omo se oso omo yes sponsor no e de ma no into obetro nso hwe say obefa ha betro nso hwe English ni bi ma apasima sisia no company na grant no my course na ma no masa aman permanent job or ye wo ho enti akoba ne se o se ne kunu no sisi ne kunu ba bedane dependent e wo ba no so but when no obi sa say there na so yo se ne kunu no so ye different application and I said ono na we nya no o fill the form na o kan say oni ne kunu no eno ano no we wi mpacho e there na so ye.
Right, okay. So yeah, the nyamia say when you akonya tumi switch before and sana you revoke the student visa no. So yes, so your application now or the dependent na kasa application no ho. Then that's it because one application but nipa mienu and was so until wo the main applicant no and afi with dependent no nyina was application so into that should cover omo mienu nyina manye.
Oh, okay. Nti ni so be ma no nsan koye another application bia
No, so omo your application no ena ode ni shame as ne dependent then yes fee na home office for charging no so hwa ye charging no nipa mienu fee which means omo mienu aye application even though it's on the same form and answer online no omo mienu nyina na application form ho nti yes be cover omo mienu nyina.
Joe, la Patrick, that's I'm saying for Hannah did you made in baby, ye question now can Miss Ramon 11 now bo 11 now will be clocking so I start to count. So I'm going to give this the opportunity now to our lady lawyer to give us the version of this today English version of today's program. But your questions I'm not gonna answer them. Miss Ramo immediate munyame adumochna community and the law meet me edi akoho edi amamo. Intino mentuma anase lawyer se obema ye final note na ansa na ye nuaba no nso abemu anka no nso be ye me de pa na afede ye di dwumedi no asori na so wadaroma.
Right, Manye, thank you very much. You know, nti for so damase say necessary when your time I'll be joining in to learn something very, very important. I hope say the yesuan and neno ye nyina ye be taking note at the aboye bra. Na ye application na home office throw say beje wo passport okoje passport no na bibia nim na wunya decision a entina ho enka say na de na esi esese utimi eteki steps na o challenges are the home office aye no say yes omo de send you email and a wan hu na say bia wo mfom so say ma ho kwan say obey appeal a obetimi apa court no chew na omo ma ho kwan ama wa appeal but the bottom line is say home office decision na a negative mra ehye wo mo say esese omo ma decision notice no with reasons of refusal na fe no omo chewo ekwan a obefa so say decision no appealable a obe appeal against our decision no omo cheche no nyina ya cheche emra no be bia ehye home office say omo nyesa immigration notices and regulations immigration regulations 2003 no and afe Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 no ni nyina share home office some ye saade no section 84 no of NIA 2002 no so ma omo enhye se omo che grounds kra se ugina so a ode ye sa appeal no nti mra no ebo wo ho ban nti se mra no bo wo ho ban so dia na se wo susu no otuto niema ye na bibi sa ba wa kwan mu a watimi a challenge home office for Debbie.
Okay, pacho meto ama yen nuaba lawyer na ono nso emfa potokase mu embecheche mu na nsa ya sori na so.
Okay, thank you, Manya. So the topic we treated today is the Home Office legally required to provide me with a decision notice if my application has been refused? And the long and short of it is, yes, that is correct. They are legally obligated to, because of regulations 4.1 of the Immigration Notices Regulations 2003. So where you've made an immigration application, EEA application, and unfortunately the decision is negative, they are obligated to do this where the decision is appealable. So what is an appealable decision? One that involves asylum / protection decision, an application with human rights involved, or an EU decision under Regulation 16. Where you can't appeal those decisions, you usually have the right for administrative or judicial review. So Regulations 7.1 of the same Immigration Notices 2003 gives ways in which the decision is supposed to be handed to the recipient. So they can either give it to you by hand, send it by fax, email, postal service. And inside of the decision notice as well, they are supposed to give you reasons for refusal. They're supposed to explain to you your rights of appeal, whether or not such an appeal may be brought while you're in the United Kingdom. In regards to the time scale for lodging an appeal, if it's an in-country application, you have 14 days from the date of decision. If it's an out-of-country appeal, you have 28 days from the date of decision. As Lawyer Patrick said, we have to be mindful of the fact that the decision may go to our spam or junk mail, and then if the time limit passes by, then that could cause issues. You'd have to explain to them or go and explain why that is. So it's very important that we are aware of this so that we don't find ourselves in any tricky situations in the future. So that's my little summary. Thank you.
Thank you, Yenyaba Lawyer Debbie. For Nashofo, Madam Winasi. Aha na mmerɛ ma yɛn kwan na yɛmfa dwumadie no ɛnsi. Megye de sɛ moanya biribi ka ɛfiri mu na obi ka ɛneɛ ɔkaeɛ na wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ appeal na wode kɔ court no la Patrick kan sɛ kɔ na kɔsrɛ ɔmo na ɔmo ɛnhwɛ wo kasa no na obi kan sɛ odu court a ɔga ɔka sɛ court o I beg you look at me srem ngojina anka say court I beg you sa abrofo no enye nti so obeso osua abrofo a bracket head consult for ho mbetro yenka say I beg you patro eno no yen krom kasa na ope abrofo de no mo kwan a ye fa so a ye kan nti obeso hu a just inbox me on 075966201154 na yen kyerɛw sa abrofo no kan eno nje say mini brofo misrem Yadisia, Madam Winina, BWF Solicitors, Legal Hours, Sunana, Oshe, Midiani, Magneti. Next week, same time, same place, Ebesensia, Yamen Kayaho. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London. N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.